Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, June 6, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. So recently, a lot of members have been asking me, Nick, can you put more currency-related content up on the website, and can you focus more on some popular currency pairs? So I've started to do that. Today I'm going to feature the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and what you're going to see here is that we recently had a pretty nice surge all the way up to toward the 132 level, and now you can see that the market is pulling back. So dollar versus Canadian dollar is starting to come back down again. If you look at this black line here, this is what I told our members that would be our upside target on this trade. Now traders are wondering, hey, where would be a level where I could get back involved in this? And I ultimately believe, as ugly as this daily chart looks, I do think that the dollar versus Canadian dollar is still going to go a lot higher. So we are seeing a pullback, but I do think it's temporary. So I worked out some calculations, and I'm going to just show you where I would be looking to get back involved on the long side. And right now, when I look at the chart, I go back and I have to take a peek at, say, a weekly chart here. And what you'll notice here is that you broke out, and now you're breaking back in. You could never get through this resistance zone over here. So what that tells me is the market wants to go back inside of this green candle right here. And I'm just going to blow this up a little bit bigger so everybody can see it. See that green bar there? This is from the first week of May. And that's where this really put in a definitive bottom, is what I like to call it. So when I look back at the chart, I have to look now at around the 126.30 level. So if you could get this around 126.30, I do think that is going to be an excellent area where traders can step in. And it's a very, very easy trade because you're just going to use a weekly chart close stop right here. You put your stop loss right below that green bar low, going back on a weekly chart, and that low is 124.61. Any weekly chart close below 124.61, you move out of the trade. But ultimately, this could set up, and I like to call this the two-step, because you've already made the first move. Now you pull back, and then you're making your second move. So it's a second step. Generally, it's going to be a higher low, and that will catapult this to go much, much higher. A lot of traders are saying, well, where could it go? I said, once you take out the prior pivot, or even this level right here, which was around 132.80, this is going back up to double top. So you have a long, long way to go to the upside if this play works out. And this is a nice little one step, and then a pullback for the two-step, little higher low, and that should take off to the upside. So again, if you're looking at the US dollar versus Canadian dollar, I do believe around the 126.30 level is where you want to step in, and again, put that stop loss below there. And again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to the research center to get all of our setups. On Tuesday nights, I do a currency report. I'll cover about 14, 15 different pairs, and if traders let me know, I always can cover a currency pair that they want to look at as well. So again, if you're interested, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the research center. You'll get all of our cycle work. You'll also get our No Hype Live broadcast, which we host twice a week as well for members. That allows members to come in and ask us questions about anything market related. All right, with that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.